property, last property which we were doing. That property was this 0 to 2a fx dx. I told that this result is twice 0 to a fx dx if f of 2a minus x comes fx. And this is come out to be 0 when f of 2a minus x comes out to be minus fx. तो अगर f of 2a minus x minus fx के equal आ रहा है then we will say result is 0. Otherwise the result is twice. ये जो 2 आपका यहाँ से ये आगे चला जाएगा 2 times 0 to a fx dx. Now write question on it. Question is 0 to 2 pi cos power 5x dx. Cos power 5x dx. Now how to start this question? Yes?
तो चेक करेंगे fx इक्वल्स टू
चलिए fx लेके चलते हैं. fx is f of 2 pi minus x, sorry. Then it will come out to be cos of 2 pi minus x whole power 5. Quadrant number 4 आएगा. 4 में cos plus होता है. So we will get this as cos of x power 5, which will make it fx. So that means this 2 now goes in multiple. So twice 0 to pi हो जाएगा अब आपका cos power 5x dx. Right? Clear or no? One more time, if I'll apply the property, I can write this as pi by 2 into 2. Then again, if you have fx is equal to cos of power 5x, then f of this time it will be pi minus x. When you go for cos of pi minus x, power is 5. Then it will come out to be minus cos. So it will come out to be minus cos power 5x. And which is coming minus of fx. और अगर आपका f of 2a minus fx के equal आ रहा है, then result is clearly 0. So one time when you operate, it will become twice, but second time it will become 0. Next question right now, please. Very important question. This is the question in which you will be having maximum property used. And this question can be used as a standard question or standard result in some of the questions also. So note this question, very important one. Check here. Integration 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. Integration 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. We have to find out the value of this, or we can ask this as 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx. This is one and the same thing, and here it should come minus pi by 2 log. This is we have to prove in the question. So the next question is 0 to pi by 2 log sin x is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log cos x is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. This we have to prove in the question. Very important question here. I told you this is the question where maximum properties we are going to use. So I'll start with this side and then we will try to bring the other one. Start with I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin x I take. First property, I'll take 0 to a, fx dx is 0 to a, f of a minus x. So I'll write this as I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of sine pi by 2 minus x into dx. Or I should say it will be 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x dx. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. इससे आपने ये तो प्रूव कर दिया, इसमें तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. That means they are the same results. Now after getting equation 1 and 2, what I do here now, I'll add these two equations. So equation 1 is this, equation 2 is this, we will add them. So when you add it, it will come out to be 2i 0 to pi by 2. This will come out to be log of sine x plus log of cos x dx. This is the question. 0 to pi by 2 log sine x plus log cos x dx. So when you add it, twice I will be this result. After getting this result, log a plus log b is log a into b. So I write this as 0 to pi by 2 log of. It has come out to be sine of x into cos of x dx. Okay. After this, what we do here now, I'll multiply it by 2 and divide it by 2. Multiply this number by 2, divide this number by 2. Then I get it 2i will be equal to 0 to pi by 2. This is log, ये आपका sin 2x हो गया, ये आपका 2 हो गया. Log a by b is log a minus log b. So I write it log of sin 2x dx minus 0 to pi by 2 log of 2 dx. Okay, it will be 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx, 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx. ये तो आपका इंटीग्रेट हो जाएगा, but ये portion अभी भी बाकी है. So now we'll continue with this. In this part, now I'll take 2x as t. When you take 2x as t, d twice of dx come out to be dt. And at the same time, your limit should change. When x is 0, when x is 0, t will be 0. And when x is pi by 2, t will become pi. So that means this result will become now 0 to pi. This will become log sine, this will become t. Dx will be dt by 2. So by 2 is coming here. Minus 0 to pi by 2 log of 2 dx. Right? Then one thing I can do here, sine of x is here, x can change to, t can change to x, so I can write this as half integration 0 to pi log sine x dx minus, in this case, log of 2 goes out, left is 0 to pi by 2 dx. Now, if this limit will become pi by 2, then it will convert into I. So how we do it? Just check here. In this case, if I take pi by 2, I can write pi by 2 into 2 times. That is two-way form. Fx we have as log sine x. Then f of 2a. 2a means it is pi minus x. What that will come? Log sine of pi minus x. Log of sine pi minus x is log sine x only. That means this is come out to be fx. So f of 2a minus x is simply coming equal to fx. And that means this 2 will go in multiple now. So when you do this, what it will come, just check. It will come half into 2 into 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx minus log of 2 integration 0 to pi by 2 dx. Then this 2 clearly get cancelled out, and it is nothing but I. So I write down this as 2i is equal to I minus log of 2, and this is 0 to pi by 2 dx. Then it come out to be 2i minus I. This I will go this side, so it will come out to be only I left. And then result is minus of log 2, and here integration will be simply x, and the limit is going from 0 to pi by 2. Or I should say minus log of 2, this will be pi by 2 minus 0. What my answer will be? Minus pi by 2 log 2. This is the answer we have. We want this only. Answer is minus pi by 2 log 2. So it's a good question. You should remember how to do this. Next question, write down, please. Integrate 0 to pi by 2. Integrate 0 to pi by 2. Log of 10x plus cot x dx. You have to bring this result equal to pi log 2. This is the question we have. Yes, how to do this question? First, we will write this question as 10x as sine by cos, cos by sine. So I start with the question 0 to pi by 2 log of. This is come out to be sine x by cos x. This will come cos x by sine of x into dx, which you write 0 to pi by 2 log of. Cos x sin x is the LCM here. Then this will come out to be sine square x. This will be cos square x. So it will be simply coming 1 dx. Okay. Then again what I do here in this case, 2 multiply and 2 divide. So I got it here 0 to pi by 2 log of 2 by 2 sine x cos x, and then come out to be dx. Which you can write as 0 to pi by 2. This is log of a by b. So log a minus log b. So I write log of 2 dx minus 0 to pi by 2 log of sine 2x dx. Yes or no? Then this result is clearly come out to be log 2 gone out. Left is only x, and limit is from 0 to pi by 2 minus. यहाँ मैं 2x को t ले लें. Then I got it twice of dx is dt. What about your limits? When you have x is 0, t will be 0. When x is pi by 2, t will be coming out to be pi. So I got the limit 0 to pi. Here I got it log of sine 2x को आप क्या लिखेंगे? t. और dx will be what? dt by 2. Now when you integrate, it will come out to be log of 2. This will be pi by 2 minus 0. Then here it is minus half. This t can change to x, that is not a problem. So 0 to pi log sine x dx. After this, what I do here, this I can write pi by 2 into 2. And again, if f of x comes out to be log sine x, then f of pi minus x, if I take, it will be log sine of pi minus x, which is coming log of sine x, that is coming fx. So what that indicate? This 2 again goes out. So first is pi by 2 log 2 minus this 2 when goes in multiple, half and 2 cancel out, left is only 0 to pi by 2 log of sine x dx. And this result we have done in the previous question. What was that result? Pi by 2 log 2 remain here. Here it will come minus pi by 2 log of 2. Then minus and minus plus. This is pi by 2 log 2 plus pi by 2 log 2. Your result come out to be pi log of 2. That is the answer. So this standard result we can use easily. Next question, write down, please. हाँ जी बोलो.
सर
हाँ बोलो बोलो.
सर लॉग साइन एक्स की डायरेक्ट पावर वो यूज कर सकते हैं.
Yes, this can be as a standard result. ये अगर किसी क्वेश्चन में आ रहा है तो आप इसको डायरेक्टली यूज कर सकते हैं. That's why I told you. अगर यही as a question आ रहा है, then you should completely solve it. But if it is coming in certain question, you can use this. तो आप ये यूज कर सकते हैं. Next question, write down, please. Integrate minus pi to pi. From my side, this chapter is over. Only few questions I am doing as we have time today. But from next time, I'll be starting with a new topic that will be differential equations. उसमें कुछ portion उन्होंने remove किया है. We are not going to take that. We are just going to use differential equations. Questions I'll be doing. Question is integrate minus pi to pi cos ax minus sin bx whole square dx. You have to integrate this. This is the board question we have. Minus pi to pi. अब मैं random questions करा रहा हूँ जो भी मुझे difficult लग रहे हैं that I am doing. और जो question अच्छे हैं वो कर रहे हैं. Minus pi to pi cos ax minus sin bx whole square dx. How to do this question? Yes, how to start this question? Anyone? Now we will do this question. This will be minus of pi to pi. This will come out to be cos square ax plus sine square bx minus 2 cos ax sine bx dx. So this question will be having three parts now. Minus pi to pi cos square ax dx, first part. Second will come out to be minus of pi to pi sine square bx dx. And third will come out to be minus pi to pi 2 cos ax sine bx dx. And whenever we have minus a to a fx dx, then we have done the property that if f of minus x come out to be fx, we will say result is twice. Otherwise, if it is f of coming minus x is f minus fx odd function, then it is 0. So we will use in all the three functions. What we'll do? One by one, I'm taking all the three functions and decide which one is even, which one is odd. First function is fx is cos square ax. When you have f of minus x, what I should write? Cos of minus ax and then whole square. Then this will come out to be cos square ax. Because cos of minus theta is cos theta, so it is coming fx. That means this will become twice. Same way when you go for gx, that is another function. That is sine square ax, or sorry, bx. Then when you have bx, g of minus x, if I take, it will come out to be sine square minus of bx. Square is here, so I'll take square here. Sine of minus, so it will be minus sine bx. Whole square will also come out to be simply gx. So this part is clearly even, this part is clearly even. So ये क्या बन गया? Twice. 0 to pi. Cos square ax dx. ये भी twice हो जाएगा. Plus twice. 0 to pi. Sine square bx dx. This part left only. We will check this also. Let this is hx. When you have hx, it will be 2 cos ax sine bx. When you take h of minus x, then I'll write 2 cos of minus ax sine of minus of bx. Cos of minus theta is cos theta, sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. तो ये आ जाएगा minus 2 cos ax sine of bx, which is coming minus of hx. Is it right? इसमें आपका h of minus x is coming minus hx. तो तीसरा part हमारा 0. And now we have to integrate these two parts only. So how to integrate? Just check. How to integrate this part? Cos square ax. What I should do here? Yes,
1 plus cos 2a plus cos.
Yes, 1 plus cos 2ax by 2 dx. This is the first part. And second part is also the same, twice 0 to pi 1 minus हो जाएगा इसमें twice cos 2bx by 2 dx. And now we will integrate. Then what this will come twice. ये 2 आपका बाहर आ जाएगा. So this 2 and this 2 cancel out. ये 2 cancel हो गया, ये 2 यहाँ cancel हो गया. Now I'll integrate, 1 का हो गया x, cos 2ax का हो गया sin ax 2ax by 2a, and the limit will go from 0 to pi. Same way here, when I take 1 का हो गया x, cos 2bx, that will be coming as minus sin 2bx, whole divided by 2b, the limit is going from 0 to pi. And now when you have pi, we will write pi plus sine of 2a pi by 2a. And when you put it 0, it's 0, and sine 0 is also 0. So this is the first part. Second part is what? Plus pi minus sine 2b pi divided by 2b, and 0 पे दोनों 0 हो गए. This is the result. So what my final answer will be? Final answer come out to be twice of pi plus sine of 2a pi by 2a minus sine 2b pi by 2b. This is my answer. Next question, write down please. Integration 0 to pi integration 0 to pi x sine x by 1 plus cos square x dx. 0 to pi x sine x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Please integrate it. Yes, please. How to do it?
A minus x plus a.
Yes, we will apply the property of a minus x. So I will be, this is coming 0 to pi. What this will come? Pi minus x sine of pi minus x whole divided by 1 plus cos of pi minus x whole square, and this is dx. Now we write this as 0 to pi. Pi minus x is here. This is sine of pi minus x will be simply sine x only. And here it will come minus cos x, but the square is there. So we'll write this as 1 plus cos square x dx. This is your I. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Now when you add it, it will come out to be 2i integration 0 to pi. X sin x can cancel out. Left is pi sine of x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Then what next step will be?
So cos को t ले लेंगे.
Yes, we will take cos x as t. When you have cos x as t, derivative come out to be minus sin x dx is dt. At the same time, when x is 0, t is coming 1. When x is 5, t is coming minus 1. 2i. This will go from 1 to -1. Pi remain out. This will come minus of dt by 1 plus t square. This minus, if I remove, it will interchange the two. Which will become tan inverse t. So I write down this as 2i is equal to pi. ये आपका हो गया tan inverse t. And the limit will go from -1 to 1. When you have the limit -1 to 1, then I'll say 2i will be equal to pi. ये आपका हो गया tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse of -1. This is pi by 4 plus pi by 4. So it will come out to be pi by 4 plus of pi by 4. This is 2i. This is pi by 2 only. Pi square by 2 will be here, and this is 2i. So I comes out to be pi square by 4 is the answer. Next question, write down please. 0 to pi dx by x dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. This is the question. Yes, again pi minus x to be taken. So I comes out to be 0 to pi. This will come minus pi minus x dx by a square. This come out to be cos of pi minus x, and square is here. Then this is b square sin square pi minus x. 0 to pi is here. It will come pi minus x, and this is dx. Cos of pi minus x is minus cos x, but the square is there, so no problem. A square cos square x. This will come b square sin square x is coming I. Now when you add these two, so when you add it, it will come 2i. Integration हो गया आपका 0 से pi. When you add it, x and x cancel out, left is only pi, gone here. This is dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. This is clear?
डिवाइड कर देंगे ऊपर
Yes, good. Cos square x से divide करेंगे इसको. So I write down 2i is equal to pi 0 to pi. Cos square x से divide करेंगे तो ऊपर आएगा sec square x. नीचे आएगा आपका a square plus b square tan square x dx. And here assumption will be 10x. अब जरा स्टेप को ध्यान से देखना, कहीं प्रॉब्लम आने वाली है. अगर आपने 10x को t लिया तो it come out to be sec square x dx will be dt. And at this stage when you have x is 0, what t will be coming 0. When x is pi, t is also 0. So this is a question mark we are having. How the limit can go from 0 to 0. So that means this assumption when you take, this limit will not work. ये लिमिट हमारी फेल हुई है. अगर ऐसी कहीं सिचुएशन आ रही है, इसका मतलब हमको इसकी लिमिट को चेंज करना पड़ेगा. और जब तक लिमिट चेंज नहीं होगी, ये इंटीग्रेट नहीं होगा. तो यहां आपको एक प्रॉब्लम फंसी है. इस प्रॉब्लम को रिमूव करने का तरीका क्या है? पाई बाई 2 इंटू 2, लास्ट प्रॉपर्टी जो हमने पढ़ी है, वी विल राइट दैट. assumption जो था हमारा initially this is failed, so I have just not taken that, cancelled, because the limit is going from 0 to 0. Now I have taken this function as 2, it was pi, so we have written 2 into pi by 2. When you have fx as sec square x by a square plus b square tan square x, then when you have f of pi minus x, when you calculate f of pi minus x, what this will come? Sec of pi minus x का whole square by a square plus b square tan of pi minus x का whole square. Sec of 180 minus theta is minus sec theta, but square is here. Tan of pi minus x is minus tan x, but square is here. So problem solved. It will come out to be sec square x by a square plus b square tan square x. That means this is nothing but fx. और अगर ये fx है तो ये 2 आपका मल्टीपल में यहां चला जाएगा. And now we will take tan x as t. तो यहाँ ये important result था that the limit has gone 0 to 0, so that we should remove by only the property 0 to 2a. So as you got this, now I'll go for the question. Now again I'll take tan x as t. Then come out to be sec square x dx, come out to be dt. When x is 0, then clearly t is 0. When x is pi by 2, the t is coming infinity. That means this 2 and 2 cancel out, I comes out to be pi, and what this will be, limit is 0 to infinity. Numerator is dt, and this is a square plus b square t square. And now we can integrate it. Simply b square will take common first, so pi 1 by b square common, left is 0 to infinity dt by a square by b square plus of t square. And then it come out to be pi by b square into 1 by a, means 1 by a by b. This come out to be tan inverse t by a by b, and the limit will go from 0 to infinity. Then this b clearly get cancel out. You got it this as pi by ab, and this is tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse 0. Tan inverse infinity is what? Pi by 2. Tan inverse 0 is 0, so we will get the answer pi square by 2ab. That is the final answer we have.